In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to game share on your PS5. So let's get started. So game sharing on your PS5 allows you to share your games and content with a friend or family member so that they can play your games on their PS5 console without purchasing them again. So it's basically gonna save them money. So here's how you can set that up. So first of all, you're gonna activate your PS5 as your primary console. So to do that, you're gonna go to your PS5 and go over to settings. Once you're there, you're gonna click users and accounts. Then you're gonna click other and then choose console sharing and offline play. There you're gonna click activate and confirm that as your choice. Next is to share your PSN account details. So what you're gonna do is share your account email and password with your friend so that they're gonna use that information to log in on their PS5. So once your friend is logged in on his PS5 with your username and password, he has to go to settings and then do the same steps basically. Click users and accounts, then choose other and click console sharing and offline play, and then click activate as your primary PS5. Alright, so once that is done, your friend can download and play games. So once your friend has activated your account on their PS5, they can go to the PlayStation Store and download any games you've purchased. After downloading, your friend can play them and on their own PSN account on their own console. So yeah, that's how game sharing works on PS5. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.